Hello YouTube, Steve here. In this video, I'm gonna show how I built an RS232 data logger for my PIP inverter protocol. This data logger is created using ESP Home and integrated with Home Assistant to log my inverter data locally. The hardware is versatile and can work with other inverter protocol that uses RS232. However, the firmware will need to be customized for each protocol. What you are seeing now is an earlier prototype I made. It's quite bulky, so I decided to refine the design and put everything together on a single PCB board. Let's start building. To create the project, I used Easy EDA. First, I started by drawing the schematics, carefully planning out each component would connect and function together. Once the schematic were finalized, I moved to designing the PCB layout. You can see the 3D view of the data logger. Then I used JLC PCB to order the PCB and PCB assembly. Currently, you can get your custom PCBs just for $2 and claim 60% coupon as a new user. After 7 days, I received the complete PCB board. The assembly looks on point, just need to solder the few components. If you are from India and want to buy this data logger or my other product, you can contact me via Instagram. The link will be in the description. I will leave all the part list with purchasing links and circuit diagram in the description below. You can check that out. That's all for today's guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for next video.